not interested. They're not.
Of course, that's I have seen maybe 4 to 5% in this period of
कितने भी curiosities आप बताओगे, so see this as well, that is. They're not interested. What I say is that
that also hurt us also.
it hurts and ऐसा लगता है ना, should I speak further or not?
Yes, you're right.
Sometimes less theory, more materials, presentations kind of.
Absolutely, practicality plays an important role.
हमारा भी जो जैसे products है, we should make some small prototypes, you know. See, I have seen those stuffs in Scania. So truck is big, they can't take truck come to the meeting hall. What they make is they will make small prototype of that truck and they will show this is what it is coming, this is what it is coming, this is how they explain.
Right?
So like that we make, that will be very good. Visualize.
As of now, it's not.
No, it won't be because our fans are much.
It's a very bigger size.
We aren't able to carry it first of all.
Okay. So उसमें then you have to just sell yourself and come. What else you can do? Just your reviews, your
Because,
feedbacks.
as you
Your
said-
confidence level should be so high that the person should be like, oh, I have to take it. At least I have to try it. And एक बार उसने try कर दिया तो फिर अपना काम है कि भाई delivery देना है. Warranty, guarantee बराबर होनी चाहिए. Right? And that is the work of the production team. Your team
Whereas
is.
we are struggling because we can't.
What is your good name?
Prasanna Kumar.
Prasanna. We'll definitely work on that as well. But these things we've noticed plays double huge role. There is a production team, no? And we don't know how things are working over there. At least you might be knowing, but I personally don't know that how are things working over there. I can simply teach you how you can sell in a more effective way. Effective way plays an important role. You feel like PPTs and big fat brochures and these things impress. I give them a rating of 2 to 3 on the scale of 10. Moreover, sell your words. Moreover, tell them that I am here to help you out. Moreover, tell them that this is something which will really make a difference into your company. Focus on the USP part as well. At times, if there is some kind of USP in your product, focus on that part as well. So, how we are different from the market? Only if he asks for something like that. Making sense? Next, knowing that motivating key is very important. One motivating key, first thing is that ABC mein first thing, you need to ask them questions back to back. Okay, second thing is that bargain. Bargain doesn't necessarily means negotiating part. Bargain means if and then. If and then absolutely depends upon the ask part. Ask में आपको questions के answers मिल गए हैं. You've understood the question answers that concerns and issues that they might be facing. Reconfirm them into the bargain part. So okay, this is the thing that you're facing. If I cater solutions to the problems that you're facing, then would you be like going to go with us? That is very important. Then would you like to go with us? If I satisfy all the points, all the issues and concerns that you have discussed, then would you like to go with us? Ratio is high. They won't say no. They'll at least say, okay, go ahead. What more? What more? Getting my point? Next. I hope everybody is writing it down. Yeah? This is the very crucial part. Very important part. Ask for the order when all these things have been done. We are going to do the practical thing now. Whatever I've taught now, you have to apply it in that way. I will understand your product more and then I'll tell you what answers and questions you need to discuss. And in that way you're going to do it. Okay? Close the sale. What do you understand by that? What do you think? What is close the sale? What is that one thing that you do when you close the sale? जब last में
the customer is happy or not with all the demonstration, all the question answers, and what we are dealing with the client. So that is the close for the after. If he is happy, then we can ask for the close the order. That is the my opinion.
Okay. What about you? अच्छा, you as it is don't go. Others. End का जब part आता है, close the sale. What do you think? How?
Getting the purchase order.
Huh?
Getting the purchase order immediately after this discussion.
Okay. You feel like I'm going to get the purchase order now. What about you?
To get your conclusion whether the meeting or
Okay. Okay. What about you, Masude?
Just asking when can we expect the purchase order for further process?
Okay, just.
Written confirmation or purchase order, something should be there from their end, because when I am giving if and then, so I am giving them solutions and giving promises that I will do this. So everything is flowing from my end, nothing is coming from his end unless and until he gives some confirmation like PO or advance or written confirmation, LOI something. So at that point I think that my sale is closed.
Very good. What about you? What do you think?
Just matching the requirements of client's requirements and just finalize the product, finalize the order.
No, close the sale. When I say close the sale, how is the experience in that? कैसे close होता है? आप करते कैसे close? What do you ask them first? When you come to the end of the meeting, आप कैसे क्या पूछते हो?
Actually they don't go for meeting.
So you don't say no. You should say no. Okay. Anyways.
What happens no actually after 2-3 levels of meeting, within 0, 1, 2, 3, in terms of price only, the deals based on L1, L2, L3 deals. Like if you are L1 with a consistent quality, you will be considered. Not only L1 with the aspect of selection. So what happens now, during first discussion, client gives some kind of tentative idea how big we are. If we quoting less prices, we will not